Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Greetings to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I. All things good and wonderful amongst us. You see. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make a good platform. You know? You don't know. The intent is pure. We might not get it right all the time, but don't know. Also, the Prime Minister do an appeal in a recent time. Still, the appeal sound good, sound right, and thing like that. But you don't know me, how me examine thing and thing like that, you know. Seeing what happens is that the Prime Minister like him up on a revelation type thing. You see what I say? With names and monikers, but I hear him tell nobody what Brogad mean. You see? And half of them little thing there why, you know, the disenfranchisement come in and demoralization because the youth them know. See, no standard or uphold. You know, any standard or double standard. You know, see? And you can't embrace one side of the spectrum and then you claim say it's contradicting Rasta. It just now hold up. You know, see, Prime Minister. So when you expose who is Choppaz and who is Shottas and thing like that, we want to know what Brogad mean, who is Brogad and what that mean. You know, see, is that somebody who closely embraced by the Shottas and something like that? Is that like a comrade-like figure amongst the Shottas? Is that like a... Hold on there. Watch the video. I can't go like we are idiot, you know. Watch that video and make we, get into it.
So that pool of labor that we have that is not in the labor force, they are out there, they are unattached. Some of them are in gangs, some of them at home doing nothing. The call is, we want you. Don't follow this nonsense argument that there's nothing out there for you and the world is against you and nobody don't care about it because of your address. So we want to bring all of you in. All of you who say you're a chopper. And for those who don't know the slang, they are into scamming or the more preferred term, advanced fee fraud. All of them who say that they are Shottas, meaning that they are contract killers, or that they are gangsters and profilers. There is a space in the formal economy that you can earn a living honestly.
Yeah. See? So why we like the message and thing like that? You see, we have to watch the messenger in order to see and deduce true meaning and character from the message, because at the end of the day, the Prime Minister him see one now sling one of them moniker them and the Brogad thing, and them wear the same clocks them with the same youth, them the chopper and the shatter them where him talk about wear. You know, and them wear it before him, so him come now start emulate them. So subliminally, the messaging is contradicting Rasta. You live one thing and you do another thing. And claim say you do good by calling out the name them and type of thing like that. You know, what condemn the one who you have, the one who you take on to, because me know Brogad as somebody where the Shatter love, somebody where close to the Shatter where him trust and love and everything. The two of them are the same thing. Brogad and the Shatter and the Chopper are same people them. Some don't know how you accept Brogad and abandon Shatter and Chopper. Eh? I when you want to say you take on this little thing like a uptown boy, I don't know what it mean. And you find yourself in a spot. No, you know what the whole thing mean. Nobody with that Prime Minister. You live in it like we have most Jamaica that. Them thing that me I tell you, you know, big, bright, educated Prime Minister use double standard and the face of Jamaica people. A capitalize for the ignorance. You know see, I capitalize for ignorance. I go on like so well then. One laugh for you over this and one laugh for me over here. So. If it not mean nothing for you call yourself Brogad, it not mean nothing for them call themselves Choppaz and Shottas. The whole of them have a meaning, Rasta, in the street. You know see it? And you know it's unfair when you don't go on so. You know see it? Because just through the ignorance of the a great part of the masses now. You know? And drop the ball, drop the standard all the while and get away with it because twist the tongue, twist the words and things like that and everything alright on phone side. And them look weird there. And because of this issue, the people them little or no consequence for no. You know see it. You know see it, and the people have so much believe in only that's them allow. Only to set the standard, set the tone of the conversation, what's right from what's not, what's acceptable from what's not. You know see it. Them things are hypocrisy, Rasta. Coming from a leader where it's just like us. We come from the street like us. We know all the ropes and the rules and the regulations like us. Come here, sir, I play a damn fool like yourself now, or you feel like you take everybody for fool. You know, see it, you feel like, you know, them things that are right. Drop the Brogad business to Rasta. You know, see it? Honorable Brogad, most honorable Brogad, I go a look out upon the youth, them we call themselves Choppaz and Shottas. Brogad mean the same thing. Yeah, people, no make nobody tell you, no make no brother you come around and so come go on like say, well then, you know, him know and him know what him a do too. And them make stupid and hypocrisy we can't take. You know see it, and them live like hypocrisy where cause them sort of extension in a society. Careless action and attitude by our very own youth them because there is no standard, no example of attack. Them up there take it for joke. You know see it. As a matter of fact, you can see from film the meaning a joke him take this thing after. Him not obviously not see the seriousness of them the presence and them type of people where him talk about. Him still see them as a joker. Like insignificant in the whole happenings, the whole structure things. The main player them, him a downplay them as being insignificant with him the meaning while addressing them. This is a joke. Because all I know are the same thing. You know see it? You know see it? Now, what's your mentality? A subliminal endorsement like them they create amongst I and I, amongst the innocent them when I have and can't afford bulletproof in a Jamaica today. You know see, more I know watch a little piece of video here and you don't know so from this is a reflection of what go on in the wider society of gunman them. You see it? Watch that one, yeah.
Somebody evil has made us get us from to I'm making all them second on the right card. There's one food card on the make boys, yeah. Kill them always ready to kill. When them full of the rich, so them a spit. We don't take shot in the face, bullet piggy. We don't kill innocent darker, that's the way.
No respect for authority. No. Me nah bash the youth them from a do that, you know. I mean, I saw it go a gun. And if there is no challenge or there is no, while me not support the action and the intent behind them youth when them fire them gun, them have them gun. At the moment that them now fire them, I muggle them and muggle and splurt and all them on camera and show face and thing like that. See? Somebody make a comment the other day and say, the wisest one is the clown. Somebody said the wisest one is the clown to rot and clean. You know, see it? No disrespect. But while them level here go on, we are going to observe the youth them now and blame them and say them bright, them blatant and things like that. But on the other hand, me nah observe the blatant breakdown of standards and morality by those who are in authority. You know, see it? Me half of the street, me I come from like them youth here too. And if a policeman no uphold certain standard, go on like him want to grab certain girl body and you know, socialize too deep with certain people and them little thing there, fraternize, you know, nobody not afraid of him. None of we not afraid of him. May I tell you that? A boy that. No, you see the one them where we act like say, police, even if him living at the ghetto or nearby, him still maintain a certain standard where he not carry himself like we, he not talk like we, he not act. No, me nah, I'm a burn out, I'm an our little culture and little street flex and thing like that, you know. Me just show you the contrast, the difference, and the resulting attributes what we expect from the type of character them. You know, see it? Yeah. Them type of man, they always in the ghetto and maintain a certain standard way. Even, you know what I say? You can see no matter you see them from far, you know say police that. You know, see it? Yeah, well at them same thing they will look at them. I saw now when you look on Brogad and them policemen, they can see say Brogad break down the system, break down the standard. You know, see it? When you go and dwell upon fraternize, subliminally fraternize with the youth them wear the rasta. You know, see it? You and them a whole of meds. You know, see it? You and them about to spliff on the corner, you know, on the clocks. You know, see what I go on Brogad? You know, see it? And all them thing there. I saw them thing they go. The youth them all just look on it like that. You know, see it? And then you introduce an argument and an attitude where you call it government badness. It's like come like the Prime Minister and the gunman them sing and play domino when them ready. No, I just saw it to the feel like the whole of our friend, the whole of our say, yo, let me make him chat here. I saw him going, yo, hear me? Him go and chat. You know, see it? Nobody now take you serious. Can't take you serious. Can't take you serious, Rasta. You know, see it? And it keep showing and spilling and spewing out and, you know, over and over every day, Rasta. And it's embarrassing to I and I when we hear certain representation and detrimental issues will affect I and I. You know, see it? Come like it's being downplayed or because it not affect none of the I them Rasta, the I them talk about it and deal with it like it's a joke, like a something for laugh about. You know, see it? Credence to the scam of them. I just say them are wasters. Them don't know what them are do. I just do the hurtful and the most hurtful thing that about the whole thing. You know, see it? The man them don't know what them are do because the man them are do this thing like a something where them a sky to fall from and it all last forever. Babylon do them thing them have a purpose, you know, and them have a day when them shut off and lock down the thing, you know. You know, so them a try bring in jam decks and all them sort of thing there and they hide them down there and allow it to come in. Or you go collect or get on the thing when you just sit back and just dead there and allow the source of destruction to just rise up and just triumph. You know, see, some of them money they should invest in a campaign where definitely I go against that. You know, see, but no. Make we hurt one another, no? It pay way better. You know, see, let's not plan for the long run. Let's pay attention to some little petty squabble and argument. You know, see, we diminish the strength. You know, see it, Rasta. You know, the whole thing painful. And it make no sense to challenge and quarrel the youth them. And condemn the youth them. Because the authority figure them up at top. Now set no example and put you an example for make the thing You know? You know? Now, the Prime Minister did say him have a space for all of them youth here. Them want them need them. Now, I don't know how to expound on that, because I don't know if I want them to lock them up, or him want them for employment, or I don't know, feel some sort of economic gap in the island or something, I don't know. But why him not say it? And them resources where him have for dissuade them from going down that path, you know? Or you know, talk about them and establish them some more prime ministers so that even I can introduce them to the youth, because something we look forward to. England have a series of program, a series of trade work by which ghetto youth can get visa for come here. And we don't hear our government promote and push them things there so that the youth them can capitalize on them benefits there. Rasta, if you're a plumber, if you're an electrician, you can get a visa easy. Come to Britain, come work as a plumber, as an electrician. And probably you have others, you have only for others like computer coder, computer programmer, and them sort of thing there too. You see, you can apply for your visa. Easy, apply for the work over here first, online, and then the work after you the job, and then you just go apply for your visa. You don't need nothing else these days. Our government, run and expose and promote them things to the youth them, and give the youth them an alternative. You know, I hear them things there. Even if them things are not set up, if they lie, me I tell them things are not real. Oh, our government not step in and try to negotiate them things. I mean, and you know, it doesn't necessarily mean say him have to get success, you know, like people prepare and willing to say, yeah, bring them come prime minister. But just the facts are well in your attempt to do this thing happen. You know how much for them thing are going. You know how much youth we chill out and wait and see what go on, see if it all happen. And if it failed, as long as you keep trying, the youth them prepare. That's how life go. We know that. We not ask, Rasta. We not ask. We've been there, we've done that, we've been through it. All the youth them need is a semblance of hope. But you're just the one side that talk about them. I call themselves Shottas. Them I call themselves Choppaz. You call yourself Brogad, brother. You call yourself Brogad. Brogad a gunman too. You see, that's so gunman call them gunman friend. Just like how you that's a Shottas. Brogad even, where that brother you come from with him? Yeah, hear me, good, you know, enough respect, enough love and respect your people.